Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Quaint. Today's topic of discussion is wireless communication. You have some idea about wireless communication in so many cases. Whether you are using your smartphone, making calls or using the internet, that means you are actually using wireless communication. Again, in case of remote controls, wireless communications are used. In case of walkie-talkies, same thing. In case of satellite, same thing. Wireless communications are used, though wired communications are also there. But in these cases, what we are using is wireless communication. So, what is wireless communication actually? So, in case of wireless communication, what happens? Information is transmitted. Information is transmitted between any two points. Okay, through air or space, without using wires or cables. Since wires are not used, that's why this is called wireless communication. And there are so many types of wireless communication. But what is the main components of wireless communication? There are actually three main components of any wireless communication system. What are those? First one is transmitter, which sends the signal. Second one is medium, through which the signal is sent, such as air or free space. Okay, and third and the last one is the receiver, which picks up and decodes the signal. So these three are the main components of any wireless communication system. And there are also many types of wireless communication, such as radio communication, used in AM, FM radio. In case of walkie-talkies also, radio communication system is used. Again, microwave communication is there, which is used in case of satellite and cellular systems. Again, infrared communication system is there, which is used for remote controls. Then again, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, these are also there. These are used for what? These are used for transmission of data, but range is short. Means short range transmission of data. For that purpose, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, these are used. So these are the types of communication systems. Now question is, how does it work? So just take an example. Suppose you are speaking into your phone. Whenever you are speaking into your phone. In that case, what happens? You are producing sound waves, right? You are speaking, that means you are producing sound waves. So that sound is converted into electrical signal in your phone. And that electrical signal is modulated into electromagnetic waves. Yes, I missed to tell you the use of electromagnetic waves. Wires are not used in case of wireless communication system. So what is used actually? Electromagnetic waves are used. Those electromagnetic waves actually carry the information what we want to send. Okay. So here electromagnetic waves are used. So whenever you are speaking into your phone, in that case the sound wave produced by you is converted into electrical signals. And that electrical signals are modulated into electromagnetic waves. Okay, by the transmitter of your phone. Then that electromagnetic wave is transmitted through air and is received by another smartphone or another device, and there demodulation is done. Demodulation. And the signal is converted back into sound wave. So that way phone works, means whenever you are using voice call, you are just speaking, you are not using video call. So in all the cases, same thing happens, but techniques are different, steps are different. Okay. Again, in wireless communication, frequency. We are talking about electromagnetic waves, that means wavelength and frequency must be there. So different frequency ranges are used for different purposes. Suppose AM and FM radio. In that case, the frequency range, that is also called called a frequency band that lies between 88 and 108 megahertz. Okay. Then for our mobile networks, that is actually vary across a wide spectrum that varies. In case of mobile networks, that varies across wide spectrum. Then in case of Wi-Fi, the range is either 2.4 gigahertz or 5 gigahertz. It is gigahertz, and in case of AM and FM radio, that was megahertz. Okay, giga means 10 to the power 9, mega means 10 to the power 6. There is a vast difference between the two. And one more term is used, technical term, which is called frequency bandwidth. So, what is the meaning of this frequency bandwidth? Meaning is that how much data is transferred over a channel. That is denoted by frequency bandwidth. That means if frequency bandwidth is more, that means higher is the speed of data transfer. Okay, so that is frequency bandwidth. So you can easily guess, since you are using a smartphone, since you are using laptop, you are using desktop computers. Means if you are a student of science, if I assume that way, that means you are using all these things. That means you are using actually wireless communication. And you can easily think that without wireless communication, in today's world, we cannot even think of living. Oxygen is necessary for our survival. Similarly, the same thing, internet or the smartphones or such devices like laptops or desktop PCs are required. Without them, we cannot even think of living. So it has become so important in our daily life. Means wireless communication. Anyway, so this was all about today's topic. If you found this video interesting, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. So this is the end of this video. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.